こんにちは、チャートマスターの根崎ゆきです。11月13日水曜日のセッションリーキャップ、スコットのウェブセミナーを取っていきたいと思います。よろしくお願いいたします。それでは始めていきましょう。
I'm trying to keep now, okay, no questions because I'm trying to keep this to 10 minutes and we're going 27. All right, we need to be quiet. We need to get through this, okay? See, Lou, go to the website, Lou, and look it up. All right, now I'm going to answer this. Lou, you're an information gatherer. Is it possible that you could go to Google and type that same thing in, okay, and get it exactly? You see that? Google is your best friend. Type the exact thing you just typed into us and put it in Google. All right, thank you, Lou. All right, Euro. We're coming back up. There's a very real possibility we could bounce back up into the uptrend and go.
今スコットが言っていたのが、まあなんかあれなんですよね。セッションリーキャップが最近20分とか30分とかになってて、10分で終わりたいんだよねっていうことを言ってて、あんまり質問をちょっとくだらない質問しないでちょっと聞いててくれっていうことを言ってて、例えば今ルーさんっていう人がロウさんでしたっけね。ルーさんだがなんか質問してきたのは、アジアマーケットっていつ開くのみたいなことを質問してきて、もうスコットがちょっとやめてくれと優しい言い方でしたけど、今質問した質問をそのまま Google で打ってみてくれと。そしたらすぐ出てくるからと。あなたの一番の友達は Google だからねっていうことを言ってて、まあなのでこれを聞いてる方もぜひ Google 検索すれば本当何でも出てくるので、やってもらったらなと思います。
$1. However, if they don't sell dollars and they start buying dollars, then we're looking to go down here. So there's the opportunity. Of course, it won't go that far. It's greater than its ATR. So you might be looking at a double bottom tonight around 1.3322. If they buy down.
ユーロドルからいきましょう。240分ですね。まあここ跳ね返ってきてチャンネルの中に戻ってきたらここ買いたいんですけど、このままブレイクしてフックしてゴーってなったらサポート、とりあえずこのダブルボトムまで売りたいね。それ抜けてきたら S の6まで売っていきたいねということですね。
Dollars are down there. If they sell dollars, we're looking to go up to 35.87. All right. Number 2, pound dollar. All right. We did make a nice trade here for 61 pips was the average. Nice job, everybody. And now we're looking for the next part of this trade, which is down here. We're looking for the pullback. We've had it. We've squared up the candle. We're looking to go down to 52.86. We do not want to miss this trade below 59.19. We've already taken the 5,800 out, 5,900 out, so we're looking good all the way to 58.26. I like that trade a lot.
ポンドドルですね。今フックしてきてるので、また下がってきたら売りたいですね。特にこのボトムからの売りで、ここまでですね、5826とかその辺までは売っていきたいねと。
CAD dollar, right? CAD, nothing to do until we pull back, right? We have to pull back down in here before we get a trade, so walk away from the CAD. ドルカナダは一回戻ってきてからの買いですね。それまですることはありません。次、ドルフラン行きましょう。Back, okay? Now, if they keep selling dollars, we'll keep getting the correction here, right? But really, in reality, this is a sideways move. And since this is a sideways move, they're telling us we're going to continue up. This is our target right here, right? The problem is you can't take it above this line because there's no room up here. You're going to
ドルフランですね。今横ばいになっています。240分チャートです。なのでこれ跳ね返ってきてからの買いですね。まあここより上っていうとスペースがなくなっちゃうので、まあ跳ね返ってきたらの買いでいきたいですねと。
Take it on the bounce. If you take it on the bounce, right here, take it on the bounce. You're looking for the target of 92.88. All right. There we go. All right. There you go, Lucy. How easy that was to find. All right. So U.S. dollar yen. Right, we're waiting to see if we get this breakout to the upside. Why are they faltering right here? Because they're selling dollars today, and this is a buy. So they're going nowhere. But if they start buying dollars, we're looking for the trade up to the R5, and the first trade goes to 112, and then 134. Watch the 100 even number because that's parity. All right, so be careful of that.
ドル円ですね。ドル円の240分ですが、ブレイクしてフックしているので、跳ね返りで買っていきたいですね。まずここ。100円というところで、その上っていうところまで狙っていきますね。
That's a great opportunity. I like that trade also. Aussie dollar. Right? If they start buying dollars, if they start buying dollars, then Aussie will go to the downside. Take up to 240, take a look at it. We're looking at 2 up, let me take it to a 60, it'll be easy for us to see there. Alright, so here's the opportunity right there. Down to the 92.55. On the break of 9,300, there's 45 pips there. Nice little trade. Of course, there's a big one down below here, but that will exceed its ATR, so that would be a 2-day trade. But there's a snowman below it.
OG ドルですね。60分ですね。まあこれもこのボトム割ってきたのの1つ目、2つ目の売りですよね。まだ売りで見ていきたいと思いますと。
Alright. So, Euro. Euro yen, we're waiting for the pullback and we're looking to see if we're going to get the continuation. They've almost squared this up, which is what we told you they hadn't done. Once they square this up, we're looking to be a buyer up to, roll this up to 134.28. Pretty easy to see it. Alright. Now it has pulled back. It's about 4 pips from squaring up. Then we're in position to make the trade. Again, it's a 2-part trade. It could be both of these. Okay. Up, my Aussie yen just hit. All right. See, Aussie yen hit. So I'm going to go look at it. We'll do it really quickly here because I need to get this out of the way. You see, it's testing that line that we said had to hit. It's equal to or below. And now it's testing it. I'm looking for that to go to the downside on the Aussie yen. So a break of the 92.65, we're looking to come down to 91.94. We get back up.
今なんかスコットのサインが来たらしいですね。来たっていうか、この線より下で、アラートですね。この線より下で鳴らしてくれっていうことになって、まあここ抜けてきたらこの間売りたいねっていうことですね。OG 円です。
Over here, remember, that's what we said. Alright, pound yen. Over here, we're waiting to break out of the pennant. And, hadn't done that. We've done nothing to do while we're in a pennant. While we're in this pennant, there's nothing to do. But if we break north, there's a big opportunity up there. New Zealand has an announcement tonight, the RBA, and you can see that they off the channel, they respected the channel, and they're coming to the downside, folks. So, that's what we said. Some of you may be in this trade off the top. So we said, take it off the top to the downside. Our target down here is 81.63. So they'll probably work this channel most of the day. Make sure you're flat before the announcement tonight.
9ドルですね。まあこのように下がってチャンネルで下がってくる可能性があって、まあ60分なんですけど、でまあサポートされてくる可能性ありますねと。
We're looking for 81.63.
まあなのでそこまでの売りとして見ていきたいですね。
We just went through the AJ. We don't need to do that. Euro pound, however, we're looking to see if we get the break to the north. All right. If we get a break to the north, we got about 40 pips up here to 8,500. Alright, we would really like to sell, but the currency is not structured to make the sell, it's structured to make the buy. So, but we will take the sell. If we get a sell below here, we need to square that up, and then need to square that up. So there's a real reason to come down here. So sell, I will take down to here. Alright, but the structure is to the upside, which says we got to break up and go. If we do, we're coming back up here.
ユーロポンドですね。チャンネルをブレイクフック&ゴーで買いですし、60分チャートですけど、TRB になったらば売りですね。ここを売っていきたいねってことですね。
Alright, see you later. Alright. Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie's inside a pennant also, as you can see, right here. So we're looking to see if she'll turn to the downside, because we're in a big box here. Staying in the box. We break here, we're looking to come up to 45, 43. We're expecting this, we get twins to the downside. We've already taken this target out here. We're looking to come down to here, and that's probably going to exceed its ATR, but that's just the first part of the trade. The second part is down here. So, like that trade.
ユーロ王子ですね。ユーロ王子ウェッジにあるので、まあ、跳ね返ってきたらここ売りですよね。とりあえず売っていきたいねと。で、抜けてきたら買いですねっていうことですね。
It also, either way it goes, I'm interested in that. So, we dash that. And over to EuroCAD. EuroCAD, we're looking to make a trade up to the pink line, which is at 41.50. You get up to 41.50, we remember that this could be a head and shoulders for the downside, so we will stop tight. A break of that, we're looking for this big area up in here. Small trade right in here to 41.80. It's only 30 pips, but a break of 41.80, we're looking at going up to 42.63. Big opportunity there.
ユーロカナダですね。まあこのトレンドブレイクでヘッド&ショルダーで、まあ1つ目、2つ目っていうふうに取っていきたいですね。
CAD yen. CAD Yen yen is also the same thing. We're looking for a break to the upside. If we can take the 95.20 out, we're going up to 95.93, 70 pips in there, folks. We like that trade there.
カナダ円はここですね。ここの買いです。高値を超えてきたら、ここの70ピップっていうところを取っていきたいですねと。
Zealand yen. Once it proves that it is not a bear flag, right now it could be a bear flag. How's it going to be that? It's going to have to break above 82.24. If it breaks above 82.24, we're looking for a target all the way up to 83.62. That's a big, huge trade.
9円ですね。ここ抜けてきたらすごく大きなトレードができそうですねと。このスペース取っていきそうですねっていうことですね。
Don't miss that trade. Right? Down New Zealand. Right? Down New Zealand, man, we made a lot of money on this last week. Right? Now we're looking to see will it bounce. If it bounces here, we're in great shape because we're looking to come up to here. Right? So first part of the trade would be up to 94.32. They've already been here. Second part would be the double top up here. Third one would be 193.39. If they break, we have to put the HSIs on. This becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? If they break to the north.
ポンドキウイですね。ポンドキウイは先週すごくお金を稼がせてもらいましたと。で、ここのトップですよね。抜けてきたら次のターゲットまで取っていきたいんですけど、ここから HSI を引いていったら、1、2、3、4、5波っていうのが見えてくると思うので、買いで見ていきたいですね。
Well, right now we're inside a wedge. So right now we don't know what it is. And since we're inside the wedge, we can only trade the buy. The sell will not occur until we get down to here. And that's 100.
で、今はウェッジの中にいるので、とりあえず今、上に抜けてきてるので、買いでしか見なくて、下に抜けてくるまで売りはできないですね、と。
Pips away before we ever get it. So we only got to buy at this point in time, not a sell. Alright, so let me take this out of here. This down here and this down here. We don't have a sell below here. And we only have a sell below there. Put it down here. Alright, so we only got that. Yeah, got a lot of. And of course, I take the wrong one off. Alright. Silver, for those of you who can, we're breaking to the downside. Those of you who can, we're looking for a double bottom here, at least the S4, and a double bottom that they're at.
銀ですね、XAG です。240分ですけど、ダブルボトムをめがけての売りですね。で、リースト、最小でもこの S4 までは取っていきたいねと。
Out of this channel, if you're in this trade, as soon as it stops, exit the trade. Right? As soon as it stops. But if it, and we're looking for the S4 and possibly the 2050 bottom right down here. Right? Dollar index, we'll see. Right now they're selling, but we got a set of twins possibly for the bounce. That would be good for us on all those trades. Alright, Pound Chief, we're looking for this opportunity to the downside up to the 240 so we can see it. Alright, so we're looking for this opportunity to the downside. However, the only reason for that is that we're trading in the box. Alright, see that? We're trading in a big box. So continuing down the bottom makes a lot of sense. And that's the big opportunity there. So below 43, 45, 80 roughly, you want to be trading down to 44.40. That's a 4.
ポンドフランですね。これは1、2、3、4、3と4の間ですね。HSI の3と4の間を取っていきたいですねと。売りですねっていうことを言ってます。で、レンジに入ってますよね、完全に。なので、レンジの下まで行く可能性がありますと。
400 pip trade right there, folks. So first one you get on, you got to break even, you leave it alone. You got 400 pips, all right? And let it gyrate, do all you can, and when you get pullbacks, sell on the rallies. All right? Down Aussie. Down Aussie, we're waiting to see if we get the break to the north side. This was an alert from yesterday, and it looks like it's going to actually go to fruition today. That's the opportunity. So it was already alerted to. We're looking to go up to 71.91. Alright, don't want to miss that trade. It's a nice trade, about 60, 70 pips there. Alright.
ポンド王子ですね。ここ抜けてきてからの買いですね。で、次のターゲットは HSI とマイナス 0.270 のフィブと。
Alright. So, yeah, exactly. We don't trade what they say. Alright, you're in New Zealand, last one. Once it proves what it is, if it bounces to the north, it's no longer a rising wedge. And we're looking for this big opportunity above 63.86 up to 65.70. Right, that's where we're looking to go. Right, if it fails here in terms of the downside, we're at the 50%. We got a rising wedge. We'll probably do a double bottom again. So either
ユーロキウイですね。今ライジングウェッジのパターンなので下落のパターンです。でもしこのまま上がってくるようだとこのスペースがすごく大きいので取っていきたいんですけど、 ライジングウェッジなので下がる可能性があって、下がってきたらダブルボトムまで多分行きますよねっていうことで、売っていきたいですよねってことですね。
We can do this because we're trading in a box, so there is no real trend. So a sell would come down to here, a buy would be above here for that opportunity up there. All right, folks, that's what I see. We've got it at 10 minutes. Yes, yes, yes. I see all the fast trackers in about an hour. Have a good day. All the rest of you, see you in the morning.
はい、というわけで今日のセッションリンキャップここまでです。10分で収まったっていうことで、よかったって言ってたんですけども、こんな感じで確かに、10分とかで終わってくれるといいですね。毎日見やすいかなと思いますから。あとは、そんな感じですね。また、僕も結構今ポジション持ってる、結構っていうか今持ってるのが OG ドルとユーロ円と、OG ドル売り、ユーロ円買いっていう2つのポジションを持っています。結構っていうほどの数でもないんですけども。OG ドルはそろそろ決済しようかなって思ってるんですけど、ユーロ円はどうなるかなって思ってて。という感じです。両方ともちゃんとプラス、結構プラスになってるので、OG ドルは多分100ピップぐらいプラスですので、考えてやっていきたいなと思います。また明日ウェブセミナーありますので、その時にまたやっていきたいと思います。それではどうもありがとうございました。また明日です。失礼します。